From humble beginnings in Cerritos, California, to reach Morris Chestnut's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. His path to stardom is a masterclass in resilience, ambition, and unwavering determination. Breaking barriers in the film industry and redefining versatility as an actor, he has turned every challenge into a stepping stone. But how did he rise above the odds, shattering stereotypes to build a $6 million legacy and cement his place as a Hollywood icon? Let's dive into the remarkable life of Morris Chestnut and uncover the secrets behind his enduring success. Born on January 1, 1969, in Cerritos, California, Morris Lamont Chestnut's childhood was shaped by strong family values. His parents, Morris Chestnut Sr. and Shirley Chestnut, instilled in him a deep sense of responsibility and ambition. As a student at Richard Gere High School, Morris excelled in academics and discovered an early interest in performing arts. However, his initial dream wasn't the bright lights of Hollywood. He aspired to a career in finance. His time at California State University, Northridge, proved pivotal. While studying both finance and drama, Morris uncovered his passion for acting. This dual focus reflected his determination to keep his options open and secure a stable future while pursuing his creative dreams. Little did he know, this decision would alter the course of his life forever. Morris Chestnut's talent isn't limited to acting, his entrepreneurial spirit is just as impressive. In 2017, he collaborated with celebrity trainer Obi Obadiah to co-author The Cut, a fitness book that quickly gained popularity. The book provides a practical guide to achieving a healthy lifestyle, featuring exercise routines and meal plans. This was more than a business move, it was a personal mission, inspired by the physical transformation Morris underwent for his role in The Best Man Holiday. Beyond publishing, Morris has a keen interest in real estate. Over the years, he has invested in prime properties, including a Hidden Hills estate and a luxurious home in Calabasas. His ability to diversify his portfolio showcases his strategic mindset and business acumen. In an industry where fame can be fleeting, Morris Chestnut has remained relevant for over 3 decades. From battling typecasting to overcoming box office pressures, his journey has not been without obstacles. Yet, he has always turned setbacks into opportunities. For instance, after a brief hiatus in the late 2000s, he made a powerful return with standout performances in Think Like a Man and The Best Man Holiday. These roles not only revived his career but showcased his remarkable versatility. Morris's ability to reinvent himself, both personally and professionally, is a testament to his resilience. Morris Chestnut's lifestyle is a blend of luxury and sophistication. Known for his impeccable style, he often graces red carpets in tailored suits that exude class. His social media presence offers glimpses into his well-balanced life, showcasing family moments, high-profile events, and lavish vacations. Despite his success, Morris remains grounded, attributing much of his achievements to hard work and family support. His lifestyle isn't just about wealth, it's a reflection of his journey and the values that have guided him. In 2007, Morris purchased a stunning property in Hidden Hills, California, for $3.3 million. Although he sold it at a loss in 2012, this didn't deter him from his passion for real estate. In November 2020, he acquired a $2.44 million home in Calabasas, known for its luxurious amenities and breathtaking views. These properties symbolize his journey from humble beginnings to Hollywood royalty. With a net worth of $6 million, Morris Chestnut has firmly established himself as one of Hollywood's enduring talents. His wealth stems from a combination of acting, writing, and smart investments. From starring in iconic films like Boys in the Hood to exploring new ventures, Morris's financial success reflects his hard work and strategic decision-making. Morris's career hasn't been without challenges. Breaking into Hollywood as a black actor in the 1990s came with its own set of difficulties, including limited roles and typecasting. However, Morris proved his mettle with standout performances that transcended stereotypes. Whether it was playing the charismatic Ricky Baker in Boys in the Hood or the disciplined Lance Sullivan in The Best Man Holiday, Morris brought depth and authenticity to his roles. His ability to adapt and evolve has been key to his longevity in a highly competitive industry. Beyond his professional accomplishments, Morris Chestnut is dedicated to making a positive impact. He has supported numerous charitable organizations focusing on education, health, and community development. His philanthropic efforts reflect his belief in using his platform for good and inspiring others to do the same. Morris Chestnut's journey isn't just about Hollywood fame, it's a testament to resilience, reinvention, and ambition. From iconic roles to smart business ventures, he has proven that success comes from talent, strategy, and staying true to yourself. What part of his journey inspires you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget